do it all again, I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a DIY. These are mini poison bottles that would be perfect for sending with Happy Mail. So to start off with, these are the things that you need. The light corn syrup, make sure it is the light corn syrup because the dark corn syrup, the color is just not going to look as good. And then food coloring, you can use whatever color you want. I used green. And then I bought these from Dollar Tree and they were $1. You got 2 and you got the holder. And then I just used a straw, but you just need something to stir with. So go ahead and just start adding your corn syrup to the bottle. I did leave some room at the top, that way I could move the bottle around and none of the corn syrup would spill out of it. And then I just added some green food coloring. I added 3 little like squirts of food coloring. You could do less. I did feel like it colored it a lot and you couldn't really see what I put in it, but I did 3. And then I used a plastic straw, so I wasn't actually able to stir it. The straw would break. So I had to kind of do like a dabbing method, and it did take me quite a while. So just work with it until you get it to like the consistency and the color that you like. After you get it all stirred up, you can start adding things to it. I just added a couple scoops of glitter, and then I also added some beads that are like skulls and bones, and I actually made these beads that you can watch on another video here on my channel. I'll pop a card up right here if you want to watch that. But I just added those, and just for something to be like floating around in the bottle, I thought it would add something cool to it. I didn't show here on the video, but I did take the straw and I pushed the glitter and the beads down into it a little bit, and then I just start kind of tossing it around back and forth to mix it up. Then rather than just putting the lid on, I went ahead and for just a little bit of added security, I put some glue, some hot glue around the inside before I put the lid on. So to make my little sticker, my little poison sticker, I used my Cricut machine to just die cut a Skull and Crossbones poison like label. But if you don't have a cutting machine, you could just either use a sticker or you could print something out on your computer and just cover it across the bottle with Scotch tape. That would work too. I then just took some baker's twine and I'm going to hot glue it to the lid, and that'll be what I can hang. My plan is to add it to like a tassel that I'm going to include with some Happy Mail, but whatever you want to hang it on, you can just add this string, and then to cover up the string I'm going to wrap the rest of the lid with twine as well, kind of adding hot glue as I go. So using my Thickers 3D foam stickers, I'm just covering up any spots that are imperfect. Maybe there's a little bit of glue showing through, and I think it just adds a little bit to the lid. And I put some stars on the top of the lid as well. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of other DIYs. I have a lot of other Halloween DIYs already up, so if you would go check those out. Have a great day. Bye!